Imagine you are building a simple app to track your daily expenses. You would need to store things like the amount spent, a description, and whether you are happy with the purchase. How does your computer understand and handle these different kinds of information? That's where data types come into play. In programming, data types are like labels that tells the computer what kind of data it's dealing with. This helps the computer perform the right operation and store information effectively. In this video, we will explore the fundamental building blocks of Python, its primitive data types. In this video, I will explain what is data type, primitive data type, different type of data types in Python, why are data types important in Python. Data types in Python. What are primitive data types? Integers, floats, strings, boolean. These are the primitive data types. Integer. Integer are whole number without decimal point. They can be positive, negative or zero in Python. Integer are represented by int data type. For example, type is floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are numbers with decimal points or numbers in exponential form. They are used to represent real numbers. In Python, floating point numbers are represented by the float data type. These are the example how to get what type of data it is. The next one is string in Python. String are a sequence of character enclosed in single, double or triple quote. They are used to represent textual data. For example, I give the example of string also. Boolean values true and false. Boolean values are used to represent logical expression that can be either true or false. They are essential for decision making and control flow in programming. I give the example.